Hi, I'm Sandy Belcher, the creator of Tutie, Cutie, Tutus, and today I wanted to show you how to make this cute bunny Easter basket. The supplies you'll need are some tulle. I got 2 rolls, that way I can put 2 layers of tulle together and sew it. A basket, I got this from Dollar Tree. Glue gun, some cotton to stuff into your bunny tail. And I just bought a cheap pillow from Walmart and used the stuffing out of that. Some scissors, some foam. I usually use thicker foam, but I use just 2 layers of foam to make these ears. This will help the ears stand up straight. And a template to the shape of the ear you want and the size. I just kind of traced it out and cut it out of cardstock. You'll need some fur type fabric, or you could just use white felt if you wanted to, but this is kind of like furry. I use pink felt for the inside of the ears. I want to put a bow on the basket, so I'm using some double-faced satin ribbon. I cut out a 5-inch circle. I used this, it came off the tulle roll, and I just traced it around it. And this is the fur fabric. And this will be the tail. A lighter, needle and thread, and your sewing machine. Okay, so the first thing I'll do is I want to make this tail. And so this is the non-furry side, so I want the knot to be on that side. So we're just going to do like an in and out stitch here. I forgot what it's called exactly. But you'll just go just keep weaving like this with your needle. Maybe a gather stitch, I can't remember. But see how it gathers to make it close up. You'll just go all the way around it. Okay, so I'm at the end. And you'll want to pull it to where there's a small opening left. So tie a little knot. Do a double knot. Okay. Cut that off, and now you'll take your stuffing. I'm just gonna take a little bit right now and just stuff the tail. Till it's poofy. Oops. I'm using all of that cotton that I had there. Okay. And then what I also like to do, since there is a hole, see how cute that is? We'll cut a little circle of felt out and glue that. Okay, so I cut a little circle out of felt. And I'm going to glue it on. Okay. Put it in the middle and the kind of outside. Okay. Just stick that on there. Hold it down a little while. There we go. I'll put that to the side to use for later. That's cute. For the ears, I got my fur out. And you'll want to fold it in half. Take your template. And you want want the folded edge to be down here. And just trace around it and cut it out. 2 of those. So after you cut it out, it will look like this. Sorry, it's blurry. Why is it blurry? And then you fold it in half. And then I took my pink felt and I used my template, but I trimmed it down some to make it smaller and a bit shorter. So I cut those out. Then I cut out the foam pieces that hold the ears up straight. And I did 2 layers because this bottom bit we're going to open up and we're going to put the metal handle that's on the basket. It's going to go around that with glue so it stands straight up. Then I made this cute little bow that's going to go on the front of the basket. If you didn't know, this little middle bit here, I just take the same ribbon and I tie a little knot like this. Show you. So you go like that. Make a little knot and then just wrap it around like that. And it's cute. I'll put my 2 tubes of tulle in a box here, and then I'll take, let's see here, there we go, take both the ends, put them together, and we're going to sew down one side. I got my 2 layers of tulle here. I got matching thread, white thread, and I also have my basket with me, that way I can sew some and then see how long I need it. Then I'll cut it off, and that way I don't waste a lot of tulle or not make enough. So you'll put the 2 layers together, you'll sew down one side. I want to do the width is the full width of presser foot. You'll do a back stitch. Oh wait, sorry. You'll have your tension on the highest it will go. Mine is 9, and the stitch length you'll need the highest on that too. Okay. So just sew down on the side, and it should ruffle itself. If it doesn't look ruffled enough, there is another thing you can do. Is this thread that's at the top back here, you can pull on it a little bit, not too much because it'll come out, but just you want to tug on it every once in a while to get it more bunched up if you want it more ruffled. Just sit down. You want to keep making sure the layers are together. You can do a 3rd layer. I just find it a pain trying to make sure they're, you know, on top of each other. See, okay, it's really getting ruffled up. That's good. Whoops. See how cute that's ruffling up really good. I'm gonna show you here. See how nice it's looking? It really bunches up really nicely. But this gathering technique, you can do a lot of different things with it. It's really cool. I love it. So when you get to the desired length that will fit your basket, you'll want to do a back stitch. Make sure it doesn't all come unruffled. That's horrible. So I put this around the top rim area to see if it fits all the way around, and it does. So I can cut off the excess now. Okay, so I got my tool here, and you'll want to cut a really long piece of thread for your needle, and we're going to hand stitch this tool onto this basket. This is where having a wired basket is handy. And I do not recommend gluing it on. It just would not work. So I'm going to start here on this like handle part. So you just hold it there and make sure you have a big knot on the end of your thread. So I'm going to stitch like that. And then you'll just keep weaving around. You'll want to make sure when you're feeding this needle through, I'll skip maybe a ½ inch over, or a ¼ inch maybe. Let's see. Yeah, here. So you'll want to make sure you go underneath that stitch line. I'm going through like, I'll go through like every other hole here. So I'll go here now. Just keep going around. So just make sure this isn't twisted up, so make sure that's straight. And you can move this around a little bit. Make sure the ruffles are kind of even, the gathers. So you just go all the way around. Obviously, when you get to the end, you'll want to do a really good knot to keep it together. So this part took me maybe 8 minutes to do. Not real bad, but it is time consuming. Once you get started though, you kind of get the hang of it. So we'll take our tail and find the center, which I think is about here. I'll stick some glue on this tail. Like this. Some of it's going to hang on the inside. So make sure it's in the middle. Press it against some of this tool and the wire part. Okay. So I got the tail on, that's cute. And now I'll turn it around and put the bow on in the center, the other side. So I'll grab this bow, and you'll want to make sure you heat seal it. And then put some glue on it. Oh, make sure the handle's not in the way. Some glue on the bow. Good amount. I'll find the center. I'll put it about here. I'll press it on. Make sure it's straight. Okay. Oh, I got the bow on. I want to put the foam ears on. And you'll want to leave enough space for their hand. Between the 2 layers of foam, you want to put some glue. This. You could lift it, fold it over maybe, like I'm doing with these. But I forgot to do that. I'm going to put it about here, I guess. press it and make it stay until the glue dries. Got that one done. I'll do the other one. Got the other one on. Now I'm going to attach the furry ears. So you'll take it like this and put it around, and first thing I'm going to do is put glue right here, like that. Get that nice and secure first. And then I'm going to work my way. I'll do the foam part first. So do this. That'll be kind of fast. Make sure that's straight on there. You want to glue all the back part. And then line that up straight. And then you'll go back through here like this. So you'll glue, pinch, and make sure it don't ooze out the sides. Glue all the way around the ears. So this is a really cute basket to Easter egg hunt in. And it would be really cute to have a matching tutu with it. But also with the tail on it. This little basket was pretty easy to make too. That's the end of my video. I hope you liked this tutorial. The bunny ears fell down. I hope it was helpful for you if you're making any baskets for Easter. I think it turned out really cute. Please comment, like, subscribe, and also my two kids, ages, well, my son's almost 5, and my daughter's almost 12. They got a YouTube channel called J&A Gameplay, and it's all about gaming and like Roblox and Minecraft, things like that. So check that out. Thank you. Have a good day.